Hello guys, now I am ready to assemble this brake caliper, which I have painted with Biltema's caliper paint. But during the process of cleaning something on it, the paint reacts very heavily to this stuff, which is called carburetor and carburetor housing cleaning. Look at this. This has been dried for over 1 week. So as you can see, the paint is completely dissolved. If I try this one, which is brake caliper and metal cleaning, it's a little better. But still, same result. So if you paint your brake caliper and want to clean them with brake cleaning and it can't take it, then I think there is something wrong with the paint. Look here. Coming off very easily. Aye, sticking on my fingers, everything. Yes, no good. So this paint from Biltema is not recommended for brake calipers. We can also do one last test with the brake fluid, which is a .4. Let's see. Let's try it over here. Oh, that's surprisingly good. Yes, not bad at all. Amazing. But this stuff, and the paint is completely dissolved. Fantastic. And of course with the brake cleaner, which I don't know I can apply. Let's do a test over here. Oh, same problem. So you can't use brake cleaner on your brake if you use Biltema's caliper paint. Which is good to know, because then we have to change it to another brand of paints, of course. Just to let you know, my bad experience could help you as well. Bye.